Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shiny. It's me, Shiny, your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. You already know what time it is. Today it's a margarita, and that's what we got. A little margarita right there with a little extra, you know what in there. All right, y'all. So today, you can tell from the title, we have meatballs, some good old collards. I don't know if I'm going to put collards or mixed, but these are collards mixed with mustards. And then we have some candied yams. That's what we have in a good old Southern type of dinner. That's what we're having today. All right, y'all. So if you are new here, please make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and let me know that you stopped by. And also hit the bell to be notified every single time I, Shimmy Her, uploads a new video. And we back. Hello. We back. We back. All right, y'all. So I'm hungry. I'm going to get into it. I hope everybody's having a good day. If you are watching this on the day that it comes out, that means that it is Tipsy Tuesday. If you know, then you know. All right, so I'm going to get into it. Of course, we got our little meatballs. I was going to bring some barbecue sauce to go in it, but I tried it and it don't need anything. So these have, if you can see the little darkened hue on it, these have vanilla extract, white sugar, brown sugar, and butter. Cinnamon, of course. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. It's good. Oh, hot. So these are collards mixed with mustards. As my grandmother would always do. And we in there. Southern. That's really good. So how is your day going? How are you doing? These is good. These are fire. Can you see the smoke? Okay. Can you see the smoke? These are from scratch. And they are good. Hey, good. If you eat with me, tell me what you're eating in the comments. So I tried these meatballs and they didn't eat anything. No, nothing. This is a good, simple little meal. Let me see if I don't want my towel to fall. I ended up getting off of work a little bit earlier than normal, so boom, I cooked. And that's good. That's good. Big chunks of yam. Like a chunky. I have had it at someone else made it. Like mashed candy yams. That was good too though. That was really good. We like ours chunky. It's good. So again, this is butter, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. If you're on a health journey, don't fix this. Oh, not these yams. This, yes, this has no meat in them. Don't. If you're watching your weight, don't fix these yams. Anyway. I don't even know the measurements anyway. I guess season to your taste. Your yams, but this is why they call them candied in the South. Because they are candied, okay? They all the way candied. It's good. Y'all see I didn't even touch my drink. You know it's good. So what have y'all been up to? It's good. I missed y'all. Cheers. Let me get a little sip. A little sippy sip. This food is fire. And so is this drink. So yeah, if you're watching this, make sure your bell is on so you don't miss Tipsy Tuesday. These greens is so good. Greens is one of my favorite things anyway. Somebody said they mix collards with cabbage or mustards with cabbage. What type of greens y'all like? How about that? They're hot, y'all, but they're good. I just burned my mouth up. Anything for y'all. Let me see. Try not to let the whole thing just tumble. It's good, y'all. I hope y'all can see the food. It's kind of late in the video for that. I know I probably already made my Instagram flow by. And probably the website too, so don't forget to shop the website at youloveshiny.com and follow me on Instagram. It may or may not have floating by already. This is good, y'all. It's really good. I wanted something easy to fix, but it's going to stick to my family's bones. Because, y'all, people is complaining about me not cooking these days. They complaining. So, here it is. I'm busy. Booked and busy. Period. Yeah, that's good. It is so good. If you missed our last live, which was Lit Fridays, that thing was so lit. We play games. Which majority of the time we play games or we talk about topics. And it's not really, now in the beginning of the live, it's cool, but the later it gets, it becomes PG-13 to rated R. So I would not recommend children. This is for adults. My towel fell, y'all seen it? This live is for adults. Well, we played Family Feud last time. It was fun. It allows you to see how different people think. Something simple as Family Feud. Something simple as Family Feud. That's good. You can't tell greens. I said this already, but greens is one of my favorite side dishes. Not vegetables, just one of my favorite side dishes of all time. I like cabbage too, though. Cheers. Also, what I didn't say in the beginning is if you hear any screaming, yelling, screaming, yelling, hollering, any of that, my section is the section with the basketball goal. So you already know. If you hear all that, it's because they out there. Where I am is right where the basketball goal is. So you know that brings a congregation of children. I was going to say little boys, but not just boys. It brings a congregation of children to your back stoop, back porch, whatever. Right? You hear them. And when I say congregation, I mean it's my neighborhood and I'm going to stick beside it. I don't mind. I'm just saying, just know what that is. Know what it is. Okay, y'all. This is good, but very filling. You see how big these are now? Slowly breaking them down. Slowly breaking them down, see? It don't even scare me no more. I used to be jumping. The screams don't even bother me anymore. I'm full. I am. I'm full. But I did want to come say hey to y'all and let y'all know to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Oh, this thing's so good. Margarita. Yeah, it's good. I know I said I'm full already, but these greens is they good. They real good. Oh, they good, y'all. I'm full. Let me get out of here. Probably gonna finish these greens on camera now. They're good. It's a short one, y'all. But I did miss y'all. I don't want to come back and say hey. Somebody asked me for meatballs, so I like to heat. Here you go. If you haven't already and you made it this far, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Because you're deep in the video right now. Oh, it's good. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time I drop a video and or live. Because I do go live. Yeah, that's good. I'll probably finish this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Sis, you still eating. I know, but it's good. Follow me on Instagram. It'll be floating around. The website will be up right about there right now. I'm gone. She out. This is so good. This plate is good. It's good. Cheers one more time, y'all. It's your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. She's finna drink this cocktail, okay? And he is. And he is. She's finna drink this while she editing. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. We are on the road to 5K. So help us get there. Help us hit 5K. We out of here, y'all. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to check out the Mukbang B.U.L.S. It'll be in the description box, like as in every video. So check out the Mukbang B.U.L.S. It's Big Mac, myself, LLIPS, and Sam's World. It's an acronym for all of our names, in case you're new here. And so what? Period. I'm gone, y'all. I enjoyed this. I enjoyed y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video as well. And I'm on. I'm gone. I am on. But I'm gone. But I'm gone. Bye, y'all. We out this. Peace. I'm going to say peace. Because y'all know. I'm Southern and I will cuss. If you're in my lives, you know that. All right, y'all, because I'm rambling. I love y'all. I'm gone. Bye.